Ever wondered what happens when your product goes offline, even for a minute? Let's journey into the world of downtime monitoring, where every second counts. Imagine a world where you're always in the know, where you can anticipate problems before they occur, and where you have the power to act swiftly when they do. This isn't a futuristic dream, but a reality made possible by our innovative product monitoring solution. At the heart of our solution is a sophisticated algorithm that continuously tracks your product's performance. It's like having an eagle-eyed sentinel tirelessly watching over your product, ready to sound the alarm at the first sign of trouble. This vigilant monitoring allows you to detect problems early, often before they impact your customers, giving you a precious window to fix the issue and minimize downtime. Our solution doesn't just monitor, it learns. Using advanced machine learning techniques, it identifies patterns and trends, predicting potential issues before they arise. This proactive approach means you're not just reacting to problems, but anticipating and preventing them. But what happens when downtime is inevitable? Our system is built for that too. With alerts that reach you in real time the moment your product goes offline, you're empowered to act immediately. The faster you're alerted, the faster you can respond, and the smaller the impact on your customers. To summarize, our downtime monitoring solution offers three key benefits. First, it provides continuous, vigilant monitoring, allowing for early detection of problems. Second, it employs advanced machine learning to predict potential issues before they occur. And third, it delivers real-time alerts, enabling swift action when downtime happens. So why let product downtime catch you off guard? Embrace the future of product monitoring today and stay one step ahead of the game, because in the world of product management, every second truly counts.